Visit to his parliamentary constituency Varanasi today. Prime Minister Narendra Modi dedicated projects in power, road and health services to the people. The Prime Minister also introduced the concept of personal sector to complement private and public sectors in the quest for development. Here's a report.
Delivering on promises made during the 2014 election campaign, when Prime Minister Narendra Modi landed in his parliamentary constituency for the third time after assuming office, he not only rolled out schemes to improve power supply, health services and transport in Varanasi, he also focused on the welfare of the poor. The PM's first stop in Varanasi was to distribute pedals and e-rickshaws among rickshaw pullers. He also distributed solar lanterns. In all, the Prime Minister gifted e-rickshaws to 101 recipients and 501 cycle rickshaws to those who had never owned one in their lives. The e-rickshaws distributed under the scheme are GPS enabled and camera fitted.
ये कार्यक्रम एक ऐसी शुभ शुरुआत है जो काशी के भाग्य को बदलेगा। यहाँ के गरीब के जीवन में अगर हम थोड़ा सा आवश्यक बदलाव ला लें, समय के आधारित जीवन में टेक्नोलॉजी का प्रवेश करें, तो गरीब से गरीब व्यक्ति की पहले जितना परिश्रम करके कमाता था, उससे भी थोड़ा कम परिश्रम करके वो ज्यादा कमा सकता है.
The PM also distributed RuPay cards to the beneficiaries of the Pradhan Mantri Jan Dhan Yojana. He then moved on to the big ticket event of the day at the DLW compound, where he launched the ambitious Integrated Power Development Scheme. The over 60,000 crore rupees scheme is aimed at providing 24/7 electricity to all cities. The centre's contribution is nearly 46,000 crores. The implementation of the scheme will ensure a sea change in the distribution and transmission network in the country, minimizing transmission and distribution losses as well as theft of electricity.
आज बिजली 4 घंटे, 6 घंटे, 8 घंटे मिलती है. हमारा सपना है गांव हो, जंगलों का इलाका हो, दूर सुदूर एक झोपड़ी हो. 2022 जब आजादी के 75 साल हो, तब गरीब के घर में भी 24 घंटे बिजली मिलती हो, ऐसी व्यवस्था होनी चाहिए.
The visit also saw the inauguration of a railway reservation counter near the Ramnagar post office. Prime Minister Modi also laid the foundation stones of a 260 crore rupees worth 16-kilometer long ring road project and the 4-laning of the Babatpur Varanasi airport road to improve connectivity for the holy city and the region.
उस रास्ते को चौड़ा किया जाएगा, आधुनिक बनाया जाएगा, सौंदर्यीकरण किया जाएगा, ताकि काशी पहुंचने वाला विश्व का या देश का कोई भी यात्री आते ही अनुमान करेगा कि मैं किस भव्य और पुरातन नगरी में प्रवेश कर रहा हूं, उसको अनुमान हो जाएगा.
The event also saw the PM unveil a trauma center at the Banaras Hindu University campus via remote control. The super speciality hospital is equipped with every modern treatment and diagnostic facility which will benefit the people of Eastern UP as well as Bihar. Newsnight Desk, DD News.